Multiplication for beginners. Read the tables first. Multiplication table 4. 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24, 7 4s are 28, 8 4s are 32, 9 4s are 36, 10 4s are 40. 21 into 4. 21 multiplied with 4. 21 is multiplicand, 4 is the multiplier. 4 is multiplied with 1. The answer is 4. Then the 4 is multiplied with 2. The answer is 8. Then the product of the sum is 84. 94 into 4. 94 multiplied with 4. 94 is multiplicand, 4 is the multiplier. 4 is multiplied with 4. The answer is 16. Then the 4 is multiplied with 9. The answer is 36. Then 36 plus 1 is equal to 37. The product of the sum is 376. Thank you, friends.